Hello, my name is Charles Darwin, father of evolution. Today we will be learning about energy dispersal in a food web and the role of the digestive system. This is a very exciting time for us. Yay! First, let's look at this pretty flower. This flower is called a primary producer because it converts its own food from light energy given off by the sun and water from H2O to make sugar. Oh look! Here comes a little woodland bunny. Notice how this animal cannot produce energy on its own, so it starts to eat the leaves off the flower so that it can make its own food. Because of the way the flower produces energy through photosynthesis, it is referred to as an autotroph, while the consumer bunny is a heterotroph.
Oh no! A wolf, a predator, ate the bunny, prey. The wolf receives energy consuming the bunny as a secondary consumer, then dies. In comes a vulture, a scavenger, to receive energy from the newly dead animal. Later, when the vulture dies, decomposers such as earthworms eat and help break down the body of the vulture.
Nom 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 nom. Ooh, so delicious. I love it so much. I love decomposing to give the soil nutrients.
From primary producer to decomposers, this is an example of the food chain. However, in a community, food chains become interconnected into food webs with more than one consumer.
Yay! And that's what we call the circle of life, kids! Yay, food chains and energy!
Well, take a look at my plate. It's a sight, cause it's piled with food while I'm looking it over, and it looks so good, cause I got milk, I got meat, I got pasta and bread, I got chicken and egg rolls and processed cheese spread, I got ice cream, I got whipped cream, I got tacos, I got fish, but none of it seems like a vegetable dish. But the truth of the matter of this food situation is that all of these things get their start with vegetation.
It's the food web. It's the food web.
And noodles need wheat. Yeah, we need plants for the things that we eat, cause sugar needs cane and honey needs bees that get pollen from the flowers in the fields and the trees. But maybe now you're asking, hey, what's a plant need? They gotta come from something, yeah, you know they gotta feed. Well, a plant needs water and a plant needs sun, dirt, carbon dioxide, and oxygen.
It's the food web. It's the food web.
Okay, gang, now that we've learned about food chains and webs, we can now look at how energy is broken down in the digestive system. Take this monkey, for instance. When a monkey eats a banana, it travels through the digestion system and takes nutrients from the banana to give to the monkey.
Meanwhile, in the mouth, the banana undergoes mechanical and chemical digestion to become a soft lump of food to be further digested in the stomach. The teeth and tongue grind up the food, while salivary amylase breaks down carbs chemically.
From the mouth, the food goes down the esophagus and enters the stomach, where the protein is digested by pepsin, and hydrochloric acid maintains the stomach's pH of 2 while killing bacteria.
After food leaves the stomach, it goes to the small intestine, which activates the pancreas to release many enzymes that increase absorption within the small intestine. These enzymes include lipase to break down fats, pancreatic amylase to break down starch, and trypsin to break down proteins, while nucleases break down nucleic acids. All of the absorption of these broken down nutrients happen in the small intestine. After all the nutrients are absorbed in the small intestine, water is further absorbed in the large intestine. After all these nutrients are absorbed, H2O is taken out of the large intestine and brought to all of the body. From there, all of the waste is excreted from the rectum attached to the large intestine. At this point, Digestion is complete.
Here comes the food. Here comes the food. Food in your face, gotta get some. Eating and drinking is good. Get you going, have a snack. Carbs, fiber, fat, got you eat. What a treat. Come on, go it down. Eating what you want. Healthy combos now. Growing stronger with my body's juice. Keep eating it up. So turn me loose. Internal organ called intestine. Helps it with digestion. Food, bring more food. I'm talking about the stuff I ain't ate yet. It's hard to believe that I might have to heave in my gut going down. I just gotta leave. By mixing all these foods, we make fuel that we use. They keep us going. Fish and meat, fruit and wheat, and a sweet digestion keeps the flow complete. So here's the word that I've heard. If you have, you might cramp, and the fat that goes along with that. Digestion. 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 Digestion.
Okay, kids, today's lesson you learned about food chains and digestive system. And from that, we get energy. And remember, above all else, that science time is fun time. Yay! Ba-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da.